We love to talk about here real tools that really help you engage your customers and really help you find real solutions. Let's talk a little bit about some of the problems that you guys saw in the marketplace that you guys wanted to help solve.
So one of the things is that there's a lot of noise on social media. There's a lot of noise and a lot of spam. And without a proper index which does relevance-based ranking, you can't actually filter all that out. And that's the first thing we do. We have a very, very solid relevance-based ranking that allows you to see what's important on the social media without getting blocked by all the unimportant stuff. And this is also available through the metrics. So we can give you counts of influential mentions of your product or whatever you're interested in, and not just all mentions. And that is a very useful way to identify signal and separate that from all the noise. Another thing that we do is we're the only platform that operates at the full scale, in that we are able to process everything in real time and we store it historically, which means that unlike many other analytics solutions where you have to set up your list of keywords and then you have to wait several hours or days or even weeks in order to get a few hours or days of data. And at the end of it, if you say that, hey, I wish I had checked this other keyword of a competitor or of another product or something else, you can't do that because you then have to set that up and then wait another week or whatever and look at it next week. On Topsy, what we are going to provide in our analytics offering, which is currently in trials, lets you, you type in, I'll use the example of Apple, you type in iPhone, and you instantly get metrics for iPhone on a day-by-day basis going back years, and you can instantly, it's updated to the past few seconds or minutes, so it's in real time. If you decide, oh, you weren't interested in iPhone, you're interested in iPhone 4S, then you can type in a new term and you get something else. You're like, okay, this new phone has come out. I didn't think of tracking this before, but now I've thought of it. You don't have to start tracking it and then wait for a week to get a week's worth of data. You can just type in this new phone's name and you'll get all the data historically for that. So you have the ability to get your metrics for your interests based on flexibility that you need to have in your problem. It's like, imagine if you were using Google as a search engine and you had to tell them what you wanted to search in advance, and then they would give you those results, versus being able to type in a query and get results instantly and then changing the query and looking for something else and getting those results instantly. So that's kind of the power of what our platform provides.